Hey man, am I on YouTube or what?
Nah.
Awesome. On YouTube or what?
Get moves. Hey, stay over here with me. I understand,
Sir.
but there's a better option than a lot of things, right? I don't want you to go to jail, so we're trying to get you home.
Of course not. Yes, sir. Why would I go to jail?
Super drunk.
Yeah.
And I want
What?
to.
I gotta get recorded?
No, here.
Hi.
Do me
Yeah.
a favor.
What's up, dude?
You're good. Okay, so we're trying to get your ride right now, right? So relax.
She's fucking. I know. She's like.
Cool. We're gonna come pick you up in like 2 minutes, alright? Plug your phone.
4258, 4260.
Alright. You work for them or what?
Nope.
6310.
Sir. Understood.
Nah, I have my own thing. I watch the all police interactions.
Really?
Yeah.
Code what?
What's that?
What code?
Code?
Yeah.
I guess you could say code 2,
Code, sir.
code 2, code 3.
Code.
He's just he's expressing his rights. So it's his
Understood.
first Amendment right to be out here.
Oh,
What
okay.
we got going
First
on.
Amendment? Fuck yeah, dude. Fuck the liberals, bro.
First and second. So he just
Alright, sir.
he does his thing. He comes out and videotapes us. And he makes
Understood.
sure everything's going safe. He's here for your safety just as much as anything else. So.
I
No.
don't like liberals. Yeah. You can record that. Go to jail.
We're in a
Okay.
public space, man. You can record.
Yeah.
video.
No.
I
So-
don't.
Hey, just talk to me. You're good.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
You're good. So what are you doing after you get out? You said you were gonna get out.
I'm marking out.
I know, but what are you planning on doing?
I've been working for this company.
That's what you're saying. Search and rescue.
K and something.
That's fine. Are you gonna stay up there?
Yes, sir.
You stay up there for a while?
Yes, sir.
I'll be out with one
Why does this guy have to call me
for
though?
So,
That's the question.
so here, I'll answer the question. We're in a public,
Sir.
we're in a public space, right?
Yes, sir.
So he can totally record what he wants. It's like
6310.
I can
Advise
pause
on
it.
medic.
100%. Yeah.
Alright.
It's like when you have a friend walking down the street, right? And
I
he's
know
like
I'm stupid, but
You're not stupid. You're fine. It's like
why is the guy recording me?
It's for news, man. Let's just say that. News.
Yeah, news.
710.
You're more than, if you want, you're more than welcome to put it back to him and I'll fix it. You can videotape me.
Yes, sir. Got out honorably.
Yeah.
It's cold.
I know, man. You're a champ for standing out here in this.
I'm from Lemoore, California. A year and a half. Search and rescue.
Start on 1185. We're gonna need help moving the trailer and probably
That's about
a
it.
the vehicle.
Search and rescue stuff. I work for Search and Rescue in Lemoore.
That's what you're saying.
My girlfriend, we got a.
Give me a second. I'm just gonna check. You're good.
Understood.
I'm just gonna check,
Yes, sir.
check and see where your Uber is.
63.
So you work for them or what?
Nah, I don't, man.
Contact the RO.
Who you work for then?
By myself.
By himself. Just come over here. Just come take a seat.
Sir.
Just come take a seat for me.
Sir. Respectfully. You can't record me.
Yeah, we're in a public space.
Okay. Well then. Okay.
You don't have to sit, but then stay over here with me and don't go bugging him. I know.
I'm just saying, respectfully, it's funny, man. It's like,
I got another
I love, So, who do you you work for, man?
He works for himself.
Self-employed.
Yeah, he works for himself.
I work for the government. I can ask him if he wants to work for. Who do you work for?
I'm self-employed, man.
Who?
I'm self-employed.
For who? You want to ask that admiral, man?
I
Who do you
don't.
work for?
I don't know what to tell you, bro. Sorry, if you
Yeah.
don't understand what self-employed means, I don't know what to tell you.
He just works for himself. He's like a private newspaper.
That's legal.
Yeah.
That's not no violation.
So he's just like an independent newspaper.
There you go. Yep.
Understood.
Thank you, officer.
If we have any contact info for the last 20 to round.
I'm just saying.
Find it.
What company?
Observer Media.
Who's observer? Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Who's observer?
Who?
Yeah.
I guess you could say I'm the observer right now.
Who's are they how should I say this? Wow. It's world nowadays, man. Sporting goods.
Sam 7, college ETA 20 to 30.
You know who Anderson Cooper is?
No more.
I'm aware.
Sam
When
7,
my last-
no contact with the R of the 3rd 28.
It is, right?
Sir, I'm on the bike lane. I don't think there's a lot of bikes right now. Oh, you're hang tight. Your Uber's 4.
Isn't this funny?
It's 4 minutes.
I've
away.
sir, I've been here
When did you-
I've been here for the past day.
Gotcha, you just drove
Yeah.
out for like a day trip?
Yeah, with my girlfriend.
Yeah. What'd you guys do?
Trump 2020, that's all I gotta say.
It's 2023, dude. So
2023.
Did you guys go to Pismo or anything, or just hang out and stuff?
Yeah, I'm close, sir. Yes, sir.
dang.
Been here many times. I love women. Who doesn't,
I don't know if
right?
you want to go saying that all on camera.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck. Hey, yes, sir. I love women. That's all I gotta say. I will never disrespect the law, though. Understood? Understood?
He doesn't have to talk to you though. So
I don't care.
I know, I'm just telling you.
I will never disrespect the law.
I appreciate that.
That's it. That's it. Hands up.
From an online search.
The law is above us. We deserve them. We deserve them. That's all I gotta say. That shit, big white light.
For the third party.
It's like, fuck, man.
I'm just gonna.
No,
I don't want your phone to die.
Who's that?
It was your girlfriend.
Man, she got me freaking out, sir.
She already knows. I talked to her. Remember? I already told her.
Sir.
You're good. If once you get back to the hotel, we guys can sort everything out.
Why is it? why is it? I'm a Republican, right?
Why you got your hands up?
Sir. Wow. It's amazing. It's amazing what kind of world we're in, right?
I guess yours. Freezing. I know. Your Uber's like a minute away.
Oh, man.
How's your night going?
Good, man.
How you doing, man?
Doing great.
Look, what's going on, man? Where you from?
Dude, I record police interactions. That's everything you need to know right
That's
there.
cool. How do you do that?
Just how you see I'm doing it right now.
Make
That's it.
300,000 a year, man.
Awesome, bro. Good for you, dude.
I don't give a fuck what you do. Man, all I gotta say, I understand. That's it. You can do whatever you want to me. You can do whatever you want to me.
I'm just gonna
Right.
watch. I'm just
That's
observing.
what I'm saying.
Yeah.
You can do whatever you want to me. And this guy, I respect this guy. All right?
Okay. All right.
That's it. I respect him 100%. And what he's doing is more than any of these f***ing people will do nowadays, man. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say.
This man's been cool to me too, so he has my respect as well.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not here because I like hate the police or anything. I'm
This
just
guy can
watching.
do whatever he wants to do because he deserves it. I'm all for it. I'm not no stupid ass. I understand how I've been this weekend.
Your Uber's almost here, man.
Yes, sir.
You stoked?
Understood.
You're good.
For right to arms, it is my amendment to have my right to arms. I can do whatever
All right, man.
I want with my arms.
Hey, this is your Uber. I'm gonna give you your phone back. You're good. Grab your phone. It's your phone. This is your guy. He's gonna take you to the motel. Okay? You wanna hop in?
What's going on with this?
For what?
Sir,
This is your Uber that's gonna take you to the hotel. Remember?
respectfully, what's going on?
I don't know, but if you get in the Uber, he's not gonna follow you. So let's get you back to your hotel. You're okay.
All right, man. Have a good one.
All right, bro. Take it easy, bro.
You too, dude.
All right.
And he's going to Motel 6 South. He's fine.
Well, sir, if
He's gonna take you to your motel.
if I call you, then I have an issue.
Yeah, you're good to go. Officer Johansson. Have a good one, man. Yeah, get home safe.
All right. Take it easy.
Have a good night, Gabe.
You too, dude.
Peace out, motherfuckers.
Get in the car.
There you go. That was pretty hilarious, dude.
Responding to the 415. Our advisor male was chasing him with a bat, describes the Hispanic male.
Good luck to that Uber driver. That's all I gotta say. Good luck.